Recording? Yes. Hello everyone, welcome to another video of How to Train Your Dragon Randomness. It's not much of how to... What?
Okay, never mind. I thought I saw an egg near my dragon.
It would be funny if you did. And
Could
in
you,
this
open the gates?
and in this video,
Open the gates.
Winter
Open the gates.
and what's the dragon's name again?
Really?
Yes.
I want to see you try. Zalu.
Huh?
Azulu.
Azul.
Wait, hold on. I need to check.
Was that Azul?
Yeah. Azul.
It's Azul
I think the name
and
tag stopped working.
It is, but you need to hover over it goods. Oh, or not. Winter's is not showing up.
Yeah, mine isn't either. It's fine.
Okay, this is Winter's and Azul's wedding video. Why am I not flying? Fly! So we gotta bring their twins over, the unnamed one and the named one. Mine's still unnamed.
Mine is.
What is it again? Haley?
Harley?
Harley.
Harley. Like Harley Quinn.
Yeah. Haley's spelled the same way, right?
Hello?
Hi. You can still hear me, right?
So, yeah. I think we should make more houses for the other people.
In another video.
Like one house for each person.
Bring your dragon over here. To me.
He already is over there.
It looks as if it's wandering in the opposite direction for me.
That's your dragon.
That's mine.
What the heck?
This is mine.
This is... Oh.
Yours is over here.
Right. Are you sure that's not mine? Okay, we really need to get name tags working again.
Yeah. Okay, put your dragon here. Because it's the groom. And I'm gonna sit down with the bone.
Now sit.
No, over here. In the middle, not at the edge. It needs to come over more.
You want it to come closer?
Yeah, it needs to come over more. That's good there.
Tell me when to stop.
That's good there.
Because remember that your dragon's absolutely humongous.
They're the same size. They only grow up to one size. Can you grab the other one so we can start the wedding? On a sunset. That's amazing. And the sun's going down faster. Your dragon rose. Something's wrong with that.
Yeah, we need to fix that too. Haley, this is the bride is still, you know, here. Haley's name tag is working. The bride is here.
Just leave the bride there. I'll come and collect her. But the groom is trying to go over there.
Stop!
The groom has decided to go for a swim.
What are you doing? You don't even like water. Okay. Slowly but surely. We're coming over.
Wolfie's setting up a server for us to apparently do a live stream or whatever. Huh? How come there's snow? Do they put like snow on the ground?
They totally do. That's so cool.
They ruined the carpet!
That's my fault.
I just suppose
Wait, no, this isn't the bride. What am I doing? It's so fun to just pour snow everywhere.
Oh, the snow
right.
stopped.
You stay here.
Don't get the groom, I'll get the bride.
Your dad. Wait, hold up. This one isn't right? Oh, what the heck? Oh, I forgot. This might take a while.
Yeah. Tell me if the girl starts to move. Like the other bone one. Come on, the bride's coming. Wait, we need to get Wolfie on.
Are we? What are we doing? Wait, is he like doing our server?
He made his own. It's always on. He actually has paid servers. The groom is not in place.
Uh-oh. Okay, fine. Hold on. I'm gonna stay muted though. Okay. It's exactly something for me. I was going to do something, but then I didn't want to do it. Listen, I don't know what to do because
Just stand beside him.
seems I am. What is the groom is the bride having some problems?
Wolfie here. He's part of the series. You can't at least be in the pool. Did you role play with dragons? This would be an amazing wedding. Like the bride just comes on with a dragon. That'd be the best wedding ever.
It'd be so frustrating though.
Maybe for you.
To try and set up.
Yeah. Hurry, Wolfie. We need to get this wedding on. Come on, Wolfie here. He's part of the series. Dragons flying away.
Wait, hold on. Buddy, why are you on top of that dragon?
No, I am not. I'm over
So
here.
that dragon is just casually flying away.
You gotta come and attend your mother's wedding.
He just does not want to be here
Stop
right now.
flying away from me. You need to attend your mother's wedding. Come on.
Stay muted though. Okay. Hey, Ultimo Wolf. We're having a wedding and we need you to attend it. Could you hurry up? How many clips? Honestly. Like,
okay, I'm grabbing
where did you even go? Where did you? Oh. Really? Hurry up, huh? Did I say hurry up?
the room is not in place. The
Did I
group's
say
like
hurry
hanging
up?
over the water. Dang.
I'm just gonna TP him here.
He already is.
Oh,
He's already
he
here.
is?
Yeah, he's over there. He's flying.
I am so happy.
Come over here.
You know he can hear us, right?
I know.
So you don't have to type in chat.
I know, but I can barely talk right now. This is beautiful. Who wants to say it? Because I'm not. By the way,
By the way,
I know you can. I just can barely talk. I'm so happy. Who wants to say? Because I don't know anything.
I
Last time I
can
went to the
fix
wedding, I was
your
around about 8,
finger.
7.
I'm a professor. I know how physics work. You know, you have a little bit of skin showing there, and some black stuff right there. I don't think that's very healthy for the skin.
What?
Yeah. Well, I broke
Oh, yeah. Your skin is in the right sides. It's in Alex on the skin. On the sleeve.
Okay, on with the wedding.
Hurry up. I'm not the one doing this. This is my first. Why would you do that? Hurry up with the wedding. This is going on too long.
There's zombies
say
everywhere.
it.
And mobs. There's a bunch of mobs everywhere.
It's a mob wedding. Mobs include the dragons. Is
Oh my gosh.
me bad?
Oh really?
I thought you only lived with your mom and dad. Do you have siblings? I don't know. I want to know.
Okay, that's cool. Could we, get on with the stupid wedding?
It's not stupid. I just don't know what to say.
I mean, best wedding ever. Ha ha ha, so having so much fun.
Is right here?
Alright,
Why is she
wait.
facing the other way now?
Ultima Wolf, do you mind being the priest?
This is much better. Yes!
No way. No thanks. I'm gonna force you to do it.
He's muted. It will take a while. Okay, we'll just yada 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 yada.
Blah 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 blah. He did it. He engaged them both.
The bride.
You did not just feed them.
I am a vine.
Please do not do this to
Sorry.
me. Don't do this to me. 3, 2. Oh no, my one has to stand up. Haha, you won't get mine up.
Oh,
Wait,
that didn't
whoops,
happen the
didn't mean
first
to write it.
time.
Stop. Try me. I will. What?
Come on.
Oh. We don't need you anymore. Stop it!
Yes.
We can't have another baby. And especially not in front of the kids.
Yes.
Wow. Maybe it's at their max.
No.
Okay. We could not care less.
Yeah, that's me. Nate!
Oh, mine is still sitting down.
Feel
That's probably why.
yours won't stay sitting forever.
Come
Yours is
here.
not
buddy.
standing.
Come here. It doesn't really look like you're wanted here. At your own wedding.
Come
Devil.
back.
Okay. I'm gonna feed you so much fish because it's your wedding. This is your wedding gifts. This is all your wedding gifts.
How come I was...
So many
Winter,
wedding
don't
gifts.
kick me off you and fly away. That's not a nice thing to do.
Infinity fish.
Come on, let's go and find him.
Infinity wedding gifts. Infinite wedding gifts. The infinite of the... Stop. No, stop. Stop. Stop it. They're at their max.
No. I should have that. Are they actually
No
at their
more children. No 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 more. No more children. No more. There's no more children.
Yes, there will be more dragon children.
Nope. It doesn't really. Stop it.
I want to prove you wrong. I actually do want to prove you wrong.
Extra prizes for everybody. Now I don't have to worry about feeding you guys too much. You're going to sit down? No. Stop it. Extra children. No more children.
No! Oh, it could be that there's two places. I don't know what happened. There will be more. There will be more. Well, come on, let's go and put them back in the pen.
Oh. Hello.
Back in the pen so they live together.
No more children. There's actually more. No more children. No more children. Extra wedding prizes. Take 64 raw fish.
Extra wedding prizes can be inside their room.
Okay, move button. Wait, did you eat one? No, it's just over here.
I fell. It's weird. Now you were happy that
Okay.
we had more eggs. Now you're unhappy. Where are the children?
Well,
The children.
should we go off the
Whose
video
dragon is this?
and go to bed?
Bed? What are you talking about? It's midday for me.
That's cool. Not for
Now
me.
bring your dragon into the pen. I want to prove this wrong. Hey! Did you
It wasn't
her?
me. It actually wasn't. I fell off before I hit it. So it wasn't me. It was me.
I knew it was.
Wait, I still need to get Harley.
And George, where's the
Is
new
that,
one?
I swear, if that's Harley. Harley.
I'm not flying.
When will you learn? We should set up an obstacle race to see whose dragons are the fastest.
Yeah. Hurry up and put her in and bring the male dragon. I must prove this wrong. By the way, she's on your dragon's part.
What?
She's on your dragon's part.
Who? Winter?
Yeah.
No, she was your dragon last time I saw it.
Hurry up and grab your dragon. The fast one. This is a wonderful wedding.
It was a really good wedding. We should come there like every day. We should come there
It's
for the
only a
outros and
wonderful wedding for
intros.
you since they haven't had an egg yet. That's all you get that. There will be more.
No, there's no more children.
There will be more children.
Are you?
There
Stop
will be
putting
more
them.
hatchlings.
Get her off my bed.
I didn't actually put her there.
Ha! No. Hey, you want some fish, kids?
Yes, fish.
Anyways, guys, I think this is where we're going to
Fish.
end the video. We're sorry that it was kind of a short video. What we basically wanted to do in this video was just have a wedding before there's any more kids. But I am so happy because there is no more kids.
Yes, there will be
Right?
more.
She's trying to breed them. Nope, that's not how that's gonna work. Let's see her progress so far.
More.
Nope. Nope. I even tried.
Stand your dragon up.
Haha. No more eggs. No
Stand
more
your dragon up.
responsibility. Alright, anyways guys. Let's do the outro at the wedding shell. Come, let's do the outro.
You go there. I'll teleport to you. I'm gonna keep trying.
It's not gonna happen, Hallie.
It will happen.
No. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did,
I want
make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below.